We already perform a little bit of work. As you can see, we create a perimeterly expansion joints because of the same issue of the house being a wood structure and a wood base is going to have a lot of movement against obviously our porcelain, which is a very rigid and less affected by humidity and weather as the wood, obviously. So all that being said, that's why we create this half of an inch foam perimeter against the wall, so we got room for the house to move around our tiles, and we will have any issues with tension creating on the space. We're gonna move to the next step, the preparation for that floor leveling. We're gonna apply a coat of primer that the manufacturer of that product suggests that we should be using, so we want to follow all the instructions. So let's start it, let's get hands-on. Most of this product, they tell you can dilute it in a little bit of water, but because it's not so many square feet, usually that gallon should give you 600 square feet of coverage. So because it's just a small space, we don't need much of a, and as or any other primer, like for paints or anything, you just need to make sure that you got a even coat. It's just to enhance the bonding of the materials. Let's see, all over the excess. Anyway, the excess is not any issues at all anyway. It's nice that they did that blue color pigmentation on it, so you actually can see exactly where you are going or not going. So I kind of like that out of the way. Perfect. As far as in this case, because we got the thermal system for warming the floor, in this case, the temperature from the wire all the way to the tile, you try to keep just cement-based material so actually it can flow and work. If you put some foams and stuff in the middle, it might lose that thermal property. Try to keep it, warm on the winter. Usually these products are based on polymers and just to enhance the bonding of the materials.